Can I add multiple devices to find my iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can add and manage multiple devices on your Find My iPhone app. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially for families or individuals with more than one Apple device. So let's dive in.
Can I add multiple devices to find my iPhone?
The answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely can add multiple devices to the Find My iPhone app. In fact, the app is designed to track all of your Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and even AirPods. You can even track devices belonging to your family members if you're using family sharing.
How do I add multiple devices?
To add multiple devices, you simply need to sign in to the Find My iPhone app with your Apple ID on each device you wish to track. Here's how. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on your name at the top, which will lead you to Apple ID settings. 3. Scroll down to see the list of your devices tied to your Apple ID. 4. Tap on a device to see information like the device model and serial number. 5. Enable Find My iPhone, or Find My iPad, Mac, etc. by toggling the switch. Repeat these steps on all devices you want to add.
How do I view all my devices?
Once you have added all your devices, they should appear in the Find My app. To see them, 1. Open the Find My app on any of your devices or on a web browser through iCloud.com. 2. Select the Devices tab at the bottom. This will show you a list of all devices tied to your Apple ID that have Find My enabled. 3. Tap on a device to see its location or perform actions like playing a sound, marking it as lost, or erasing it.
What about family sharing?
If you're using family sharing, you can also track devices belonging to your family members. To see their devices, 1. Open the Find My app. 2. Select the People tab at the bottom. 3. Tap on a family member's name to see the devices associated with their Apple ID. Remember, each family member will need to have Find My enabled on their devices and share their location with you. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily add multiple devices to Find My iPhone and keep track of all your Apple devices in one place. This can give you peace of mind knowing that you can locate your devices if they're ever lost or stolen. Happy tracking!